Migi, welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna do the exploding watermelon challenge. So we have tons of rubber bands over here and we are going to explode today's watermelon. It's kind of hard to put. But before we start, a little reminder, please like the video if you enjoy. And then please subscribe to more upcoming videos. Let's go! Today I have my puppy here named Danny, Lindenmann. We are going to do teamwork. We can explode this faster. And please enjoy this exploding watermelon challenge. Wasting food again. Wait. Huh? Wait, what? Here it comes. Let's keep on going. Because we have to evacuate. This one is a big explosion actually. Again, Migi. Ah! Wow! I got scared. I did not see it. We did it, but sorry, we could not capture it because it happened too fast. But we'll try again next time. So please try. Here I go again. So we are back in the exploding watermelon challenge, and now we have swimming goggles. Safety first. I'm gonna introduce someone. This is Leon, and she is going to help us explode this watermelon as fast as we could. This is gonna explode. I can tell it. It's gonna explode. Oh, it looks like a spaghetti noodles.
Not that fast.
Ah! What's happening? It's deformed. Ah! Get away, fly. We're not gonna eat it. We're gonna try. Oh my god. Whoa! It's getting fatter here. That means it's gonna pop.
Normally there is sap coming out first.
There's cooking go.